Hey guys, today we're going to check out the most useful and unusual gadgets you can buy right now. This time it's a laser machine for perfectionists and an innovative flashlight for true artists. And there's some really mysterious stuff like a UFO watch, huge luminescent cubes, and an infinite tunnel to nowhere. Don't forget about the description box with all the links to the products, so let's dive right in. Do regular drones look too boring? Here's an exciting one. With this drone, you'll discover some completely new possibilities. Thanks to the lightweight design and powerful motors, this quad delivers incredible speed. It's like you're taking part in F1 racing, but you can still perfectly manage every movement using the large professional controller. And if anything goes wrong, it's not a big deal. The carbon fiber body makes this drone almost unbreakable no matter the damage. As for the camera, it features an extra-wide 120-degree angle along with high-definition night vision camera. The included goggles will provide you with an amazing viewing experience. That's a combo. Why don't you get a bunch of these amazing cubes? They might look quite simple since all of them are just fully covered with RGB strips that beautifully glow in the dark. But the end result is stunning. All those patterns add up to that mysterious psychedelic look. There's a wide range of colors that you can easily switch with the remote control, but if you're ready for something massive and truly gorgeous, you might get a whole wall of amazing dodecahedrons. Their infinity mirror surface makes various lighting effects look even deeper. Plus, it makes this wall perfect for selfies. This is the gadget for every true perfectionist. Now every painting on your wall and every tile on the floor will be leveled with the highest precision. This thing uses a 4D 16-line laser system that covers any surface indoors or outdoors with the integrated LED display and several touch buttons. The gadget is easy to operate, even a beginner can handle that. Moreover, it's actually self-leveling. If the tilt exceeds 3 degrees, the gadget will automatically activate an alarm before you do anything wrong. And there are plenty of mounting options to choose from. You can hang this thing on a wall, put it on a tripod, or use the included lifting platform. Finally, you'll definitely appreciate the remote control that also comes in the package. Each great watch has its own fascinating story. This one, for instance, was inspired by the UFOs that were studied somewhere near Area 51. Usually, all those spaceships emit a circle of light. That's why this watch is able to glow in the dark, reminding of the most exciting sci-fi stories. The dial gets really bright, which makes it clearly visible in low-light conditions, but this watch is no less impressive in the daytime. It's fully transparent from both sides, so you can see every detail of the complex mechanism. Sapphire crystal glass, along with the stainless steel body, make the watch extremely durable. The straps are made of genuine leather and come in several great colors. This is the best high-res macro you can ever imagine. The new Blips Lab Kit is a high-quality solution to transform any smartphone or tablet into a powerful macro camera or even into a digital microscope. It includes several slides for microscopy, glass slides, supporting stage for either phone or tablet, and some other useful stuff. And the lenses, of course. 4 extra-thin macro lenses of different magnification will open up a world of exploration and experimentation without having to go anywhere. Blip lenses look like stickers. You literally have to stick them to your camera and you're ready to go. Don't worry, they're long-lasting and reusable. With the most powerful lens, you can use your phone like a digital microscope. Now it's possible to see blood cells on a prepared slide or even living microorganisms. Take a look at what's going on under your nails. There's a chance you'll stop biting them after that. You don't need much to start your own vlog. If you already have a smartphone with a decent camera, the rest is included in this ultimate blogger kit. So what will you get? First, a nice portable tripod that can be used both in portrait and landscape mode. The foldable legs make sure you can take it wherever you go. Another major point is the sound quality of the video. So you'll definitely appreciate the highly sensitive directional microphone that easily mounts on top of your phone. The kit also includes 2 audio cables, along with a windscreen, which is extremely useful when shooting in open areas. That's all it takes to start making great content. This tripod is a great option for those who want to upgrade their shooting gear with a new innovative tool. The AI-powered auto-tracking feature makes this thing an actual cameraman that follows your movements. The 360-degree rotatable mechanism will always keep you in focus no matter how fast you move. It takes just 3 seconds to fully rotate. There's an optional zoom tracking if you want to make your videos even more dynamic. Aside from regular footage or video conferences, you can also use this tripod to shoot stunning slow-mos and time-lapses. Overall, there are 9 speed settings to choose from, and if you feel like filming on a tablet, great, this thing can handle it. Now, this flashlight is a whole new way for artists, photographers, and performers to express themselves using the light with a huge variety of different colors, lighting effects, and modes such as strobe and fade. You can create custom modes and set the color changing speed. Additionally, this thing features 10 brightness levels. The RGB critter is equipped with a sound reactivity system that allows you to adjust the sensitivity to match the sound intensity of your environment. There's more. The built-in movement sensor makes the device an extension of your body controlled by your movements. Feel free to either change the brightness of the RGB LED depending on the speed of your movements, or to have the light show when you move. There are 3 backlit buttons that allow you to quickly navigate through all the settings. With maximum runtime for up to 18 hours, you'll be able to rock and roll all night. But the final look depends on the accessory you attach it to. It might be a fiber optic whip, a rope, or a Jedi-style saber. You can even combine 2 of those using the additional connector. Whichever option you choose, a stunning show is guaranteed. Imagine there was a tunnel in your wall that could lead you to another universe. That's probably the first thing that comes to mind when you see this mesmerizing sculpture. Although you know it's completely flat, you can't help thinking there's something inside. This optical illusion is built up by the infinity mirror combined with this cool multicolored pattern. No magical skills are required, just plug it in and watch. Why should you go to a bar if you can throw a cocktail party at home? It doesn't require any skills or experience if you have this cocktail kit. It includes a smart scale and a shaker. The scale is super precise accuracy. It also is equipped with a large LCD screen and a Bluetooth module which allows pairing with the mobile app. With more than 400 recipes to choose from, this app replaces an experienced bartender, providing you with the hints. Just choose the drink and start pouring. The kit will do the rest. The app will alert you when to stop and proceed to the next step. Same goes for the shaking time. The handy stand for your smartphone or tablet is included in the package. Constant switching between the book you're reading and a dictionary ruins all the pleasure. Maybe this groundbreaking concept will solve the issue in the near future. The main part of it is a tiny finger implant that uses a smart character recognition system to highlight words and phrases in the text. All you have to do is literally touch the unknown word. The little ear attachment allows you to instantly hear the pronunciation and definition of the word. Every student's dream. So, you've got Alexa at home and in your car. What about having Alexa right with you? Right in your glasses? The secret is in Echo frames. They're lightweight, splash-resistant, and compatible with most prescription lenses. You get up to 4 hours of non-stop usage on a full charge. Act as usual, make calls, set reminders, get the news, listen to podcasts, or control your smart home from anywhere. Echo frames direct the sound straight to your ears, so you can discreetly hear Alexa. They work with your phone and are controlled by your voice. Microphones are designed to respond to the voice of the person wearing the frames, but you can turn them off anytime you want. Alexa will also read the notifications and remind you of the most important things. You can even turn on the lights on your patio now. So cool.